Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set this viral live wallpaper on your iPhone. I'm just provide simple way. This method will be work any iPhone and any iOS, so don't skip my video, follow my all process. So at first open your app store, go to search option, search it to this, and you need to just install these apps. So I'm just already install these apps. Simply press on open, and go to wallpaper option, go to this section, scroll down and just select OK, and remove watermark, press on picture, press on replace and add your photo. Like I'm select my photo, press on. If you want to adjust, increase or decrease size, press on right mark, or if you want to use filter, showing it to more, color adjustment, okay, and showing it to more features. If you want to add text and overall set, press on download option. Okay, now successfully it's download in my gallery. So go out, open my photo gallery and select, click on to share option and use as wallpaper. So look here and make sure to turn on live option and press on add. If you want to add home screen, press on done and overall set, go out. Now I'm check in. So look here, now successfully set this.